Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to disable the alarm system on the Fiido L2 bicycle. The alarm is actually an AWS system or audio warning system. This will sound kind of a cricket noise that it's constant whenever you ride the bike faster than 15 kilometers per hour, and it's getting annoying. That's actually to warn pedestrians, but if you ride this on the street or on bike lanes, usually you don't have the need for that alarm. And you also have a horn on the bike, an electric horn, so it makes no sense to keep that working, and I'm going to show you how to disable it really quick, and it's not destructive in any way. You can always put it back in a working order again. So under the rear seat with a hex key, you're going to find this odd looking screw here, just one of them, and it's the single accessible screw from underneath the bike, and you need to untighten this a lot, and it takes a lot of turns, and you keep unscrewing that, and you don't have to remove it completely, but take most of it out. And you know that the screw is enoughly untightened when you can actually slide this towards the back, so just like that, and you just need to wiggle it out a bit. And here comes the rear seat. It has some sliding plastic bushes there, and it has that screw here which will lock into this mount, and that keeps it from sliding over. So this will just go in and clip back, and then you lock it with the screw, and that's the screw over there. And here are the brains of the Fiido L2. The controller and all the wiring is here. So when you look inside, you need to find this module. This is the alarm module, and this is the one that makes the annoying sound, and you need to watch the wires, where are they going, and they go in the controller, and it's as simple as unclipping it, and that was it. It won't do any kind of harm to the bike. It will work as it needs to work, but you are not going to have any more annoying sounds. And this also sounds when you turn the bike on. And it might even have a true alarm function such as anti-theft, but with no instruction of how to program the controller and how to use the alarm, that won't work. You can try to play with various things such as keeping brake pressed, acceleration pressed, how some on YouTube are trying to unlock the speed on this controller. It will not work on the L2 because the controller, it's actually locked. It doesn't have any kind of wires to unlock the speed, and this controller also has hall control, and even if you remove the hall control wire and you take out the speed sensor from the rear wheel, it will still keep the same constant speed. So if you don't change the controller, there's no way to turn the speed limit. But that's another story, and that's going to be solved in another video that hopefully it will come soon. Until then, be sure to follow my next uploads, and see you, and bye bye.